Patricia all by Fitness. Welcome to our 5-minute series of workout. We're going to use a stability ball for today's workout, as well as a mat and a chair. Work a little bit more on the lower part of our body, our legs and our abs. Excellent. We're going to warm up just really quick right now. Hopefully you did more than a minute of cardio, but you do need to get your blood flowing a little bit. Let's punch and kick. I find it to be very satisfying for a lot of people to punch away your troubles and kick away your cares. Right? So the next 5 minutes, just keep moving. It's a good way to take a break from your day and get a little exercise in, right? Excellent. Good. Let's go down to the floor with the mat, and we'll start on a body weight exercise with our stability ball. Going to use the stability ball to help you with your bridges, all right? So you want your feet in the middle of the ball. It's good to have sneakers kind of grip it a little bit. Hands on side for support. And you're just going to roll it up and roll it out. Good. Keep your abs or your glutes in the air the whole time while you do this. It's going to work back into those legs a lot. Feels good. Nice. Couple more. Good. 3 more. Almost there. And good. That's 10. Nice. Take that ball now, roll it up. To support your legs and do a little crunch here. Come up. Now you want to have your hands by your ears, not by your neck to pull your neck out of a circuit, out of alignment, right? Good. Do 6 or 10 crunches like this. Good. Excellent. Let's go back and do one more set of those curl-ins, the leg curls-ins. Again, the hands on side for support. Relax your head and roll it in. Good. It's really challenging exercise for the lower body and on those hamstrings. Feels good. Nice. You're halfway there, just doing 10. Good. Almost there, 2 more. And last one. Nice. Roll that in. We'll do another 10 crunches. Again, head towards the ceiling. Breathe out as you come in. Good. Hi, kitty cat. That's Georgie, one of my cats. Doing good. Make sure you breathe out. Work those abs. Nice and good. Let me show you another fun one that works your core. Here you might want your mat for your knees. Put your ball right in front of you, and you want it close to your body, and you want your hands around the ball like so, and you're going to roll it out. Don't roll over your cat. And keep your body straight as you do so. Good. So it's almost like a little mini plank. Good. And draw it back in. Roll it out and draw it back. Nice. Good. These are a little bit challenging for the abs too. Stay nice and strong. If that ball starts getting away from you, bring it closer again. Good. Nice. Let's do 4 more. Stay nice and strong. You're doing great. 2 more. And 1 more. There you go. That feels good, doesn't it, on those abs? Excellent. Let me show you another fun one for those abs with the ball. We're going to hold the ball out there between our toes and our hands and lower opposite hand and opposite leg. Good. Kind of fun. And challenging exercise. Good, you got 3 more. Excellent. Nice. There's so many fun things you can do with a stability ball, isn't there? Excellent. Let me show you if you're a newbie, or if you just want to work your balance a little bit and the ball's not too big, you can put your foot up on there, stand nice and tall, and roll it in 1 leg at a time for those hamstrings as well. Challenges your balance a little bit. Good. Keep it going. We'll do 10 on each side. 3 more. Nice. Stay nice and tall. And good. Switch sides. Especially after those double leg ones, that gets a little challenging for a lot of people. All right. Stand nice and straight and tall. Shoulders back and down. Good. Nice. Now, depending on the height of the ball, this could be harder or easier. Nice. Lower ball is probably a little bit easier. Good. I have a couple of sizes because I know different exercises I like to have a tall ball or a short ball. That's your 5-minute video for today. Tomorrow we'll do some more fun things. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like the videos. Can't wait to talk to you tomorrow. Leave me a comment. Have a good day.